जस्टिस राघवेंद्र सिंह चौहान ने बुक ऑफ कॉप वर्सेस कोविड-19 पर मुश्तमिल किताब का खैरताबाद में वाक़ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग ऑडिटोरियम विश्वेश्वरैया भवन में रस्मी इजराई अंजाम दी। तकरीब इफ्तिताह में कमिश्नर सिटी पुलिस संजनी कुमार IPS के अलावा दीगर मोअज़्ज़िज़ीन और मुत्तल्लिक़ा ज़िम्मेदारान की कसीर तादाद मौजूद थी। किताब की तसनीफ़ हैदराबाद सिटी पुलिस के ज़ेरे एहतमाम अमल में लाई गई, जिसमें मौलिक कोरोना वायरस की वजह महकमे पुलिस की जानिब से किए गए इक़दामात, मसाइल, दुश्वारियों और कारकर्दगी सरगर्मियों की तफसीलात को मौसर अंदाज से पेश किया गया। इस मौके पर दीगर की कसीर तादाद मौजूद थी।
First of all, I take this opportunity to express my gratitude that at such a short notice, our Chief Justice, Sir, had agreed to come over for this function and encourage the entire city police of 14,000 police officers. I also express my gratitude to Sri Somesh Kumar Sir, our beloved Chief Secretary, for sparing his valuable time and coming and encouraging all of us. All my colleague officers, all distinguished guests, members of media, we were not present when the First World War took place. We were not present when the Second World War took place. But all of us are witnessing what is called the Third World War, in which perhaps never in the past, in the history of mankind, such large number of people were affected by a fear called COVID-19. The war continues. So far, 195 countries are affected, which is much more a figure than any pandemic, any war in the past. The latest being the youngest country in the world, which has become the member of United Nations just 1 month before the COVID started. That was South Sudan. This war is very unique. No bullets were fired, no ammunitions were exhausted, there was no law and order situation anywhere, but still the entire population initially was asked to remain indoors. It was called Janta Curfew, and subsequently in a phased manner the government issued relaxations so that life could continue. We have entered now the 50th week of this pandemic spread, and now the United Kingdom has started the vaccination drive last Tuesday. A UK grandmother has become the first person in the world to be given the Pfizer 19 jab as part of the mass vaccination program. USA has supply chain issues, as has been reported in one of the articles of World Health Organization.